Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the Jay Treaty. Here we go. Basically, the Jay Treaty was after the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1783. The Americans and the British needed to settle difficulties. The tension between America and Great Britain were so high as a result of three key issues. The first key issue was that Britain products flooded the U.S., whereas American products were rejected. Britain gave America northern forts, but they got repeatedly attacked by Native Americans, which was very frustrating. Finally, Britain's impressment of American sailors and seizure of naval and military supplies bound to enemy ports on neutral ships brought the two nations to the brink of war in the late 1700s. So this guy, John Jay, ended up talking to America and Great Britain and negotiated them into making a treaty. This treaty was supposed to prevent Great Britain and America from having a war together. November 19, 1794, the treaty was signed, and in June 1795, the treaty passed the Senate. The Jay Treaty was designed by Treasury Secretary Alexander Hamilton. Here's a brief summary on what we learned today. So now when people ask you, have you ever heard of the Jay Treaty? You can be like, yeah, this awesome chick in history class told me about it. Bye.